Now we discuss two model problems. For example, there is an infinite wire. Suppose there is a cube like this. Listen what I am speaking. There is a cube like this and there is an infinite wire. A thin wire of linear charge density, uniform linear charge density lambda. It is present touching one of the sides of the cube. What question is, look here, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So it is coinciding with the side E, H. What is the question? What is the flux through each face of the cube? What is the electric flux through each face of the cube? So here I write four surfaces A, E, F, B. Understand, listen carefully. Next A, E, H, D. Next E, F, G, H. Next H, D, C, G. A, E, F, B and A, E, H, D and E, F, G, H and H, D, C, G. All these surfaces, you know, the radial, the field is parallel to these surfaces. The field is parallel to these surfaces. Okay. So, the flux through these four surfaces, because field lines are parallel to them, the area vector is perpendicular to the surface, the angle between them is 0, flux through these surfaces will be 0. And there are two surfaces, one is which are not, you know, they are not touching this wire. One is A, B, C, D, it is not touching the wire. Second one is C, B, F, G. C, B, F, G. So, this is A, B, C, D and C, B, F, G. Now, the total flux is through them only. Now, if you look from here, if you look from the top, the same thing, then if I look from the top, I look the system from the top, then it looks like this. This is the wire, tip of the wire, and one I will see like this. What is this? This is A, this is E, this is F, this is B. That is how it looks if I see from the top. So, this, if I imagine there are other four cubes kept, other three cubes kept beside the first cube. So, this charge which is exactly at the center, this the wire which is exactly center, the flux through all these four cubes is what? What is the lambda inside? What is the charge inside? Charge inside is lambda L. This side of the cube is L. So, this much of charge is present, like the charge, this lambda L is like this. It is present inside. So, this is Q inside by epsilon naught. This is the charge through all the four cubes. And from symmetry, only from for this cube, it is lambda 4 by epsilon naught. I again tell you, if I look from the top, this is EA, BF, it appears like this. I imagine three more cubes beside it, like this. So, this lambda L, the flux because of the length L inside four cubes, it is Q inside is lambda L by epsilon naught. So, through one cube it will be lambda L by 4 epsilon naught. This is the total flux through this cube. And in this flux, and the flux through these four is 0 already. And it is from symmetry, it is equally shared by this face and this face. So, this through the ABCD surface, it is half of that, lambda L by 8 epsilon naught. Through CBFG, it is lambda L by 8 epsilon naught. So, these are the respective fluxes through all the sides that the cube possesses.